Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter 2 of science, that is components of food. Firstly, what we will study in this chapter are in this chapter we will study that what do different food items contain. It means what are the different types of nutrients which are present in the different food items. These nutrients are like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, water, even rough phase, which are called dietary fibers. Then we will also study that what these nutrients do in our body, means what are the functions of these different nutrients. Then we will study about balanced diet, and if we are not taking balanced diet, it means if we are not taking all these nutrients in our diet, then what type of disease we will face, which are called deficiency disease. So all these topics are covered in this chapter. Today I want to just give the introduction of this chapter. As we know, there is a wide variety of food available to us. Do we eat everything? Different peoples like different food items. Different people like different food items, like some like rice, whereas some others may like chapatis. Some may like sweets, whereas some others may like salty snacks. So every person has different choices about the food, and we have studied in chapter 1 that the things which are needed to prepare any food items are called ingredients or the materials, and we need different ingredients to prepare different food items that we eat. We have also studied from where these ingredients come. We have studied that these ingredients we are getting from plants and animals. Some ingredients we get from plants and some we get from animals. uh, in this chapter, now we are going to learn about the various components of food and their role in keeping us fit and healthy. Here we come to know that a meal could consist of chapati, dal, and brinjal curry. Another people may like rice, sambar, and a vegetable preparation of lady finger. So different peoples eat different types of food items. Here is given a table 2.1 where some common meals of different states are given, like in Punjab. Uh, in Punjab, people prefer to eat makki di roti, rajma, sarson ka saag, and curd with or ghee. In Andhra Pradesh, the main item of grain is rice. They prefer tur dal and rasam. In the same way, in vegetable, they prefer kunduru, and in others, buttermilk, ghee, pickle, etc. Similarly, you can write the food item of any other state, like if we are, as you know, we are living in Haryana. So, if you write Haryana, you know, item of grain is here. You can write bajre ki roti or khichdi. In Haryana, mixed dal is preferred. In vegetables, there is one singri ki sabji. You can write, or methi, gajar, any vegetable which is preferred in Haryana. In others, you can write buttermilk, you can write desi ghee. In the same way, people also prefer bathua raita here. So in this way, you can feel the food item of any one state in third column. From this table, you come to know that there are even changes in feeding habits, in food habits from state to state. Sometimes we may not really have all these variety in our meals. Students, you know, sometime when we go for traveling, we are not able to get all these variety of items, but whenever we are at home, we should take different varieties of food items, because different varieties of food items contain different nutrients which are needed for the proper functioning, for the proper growth of the body. And these different components of food which are needed for the normal functioning of the human body are called nutrients. So in this chapter, next time I will explain you what are these nutrients and how we can test them and what are their functions. Thank you.